Hi, mommy and daddy. This is my message for you. I really appreciate na that you're always sacrificing for us and loving me and kuya. And even though you pagalitan us, I know you're not trying to, and you're just trying to teach us how to be a better person. And thank you na you're always keeping us safe, giving us food, giving us new clothes, new shoes. I also want to thank daddy for giving me a new watch. I also want to thank you, mommy and daddy din for the, what do you call that, new polo and new pants. I hope you will live a long and healthy and happy life, all four of us and Lola and Ninong. I love you, mommy and daddy, and I hope you're safe all the time, and I hope you live a long life, and hopefully one day you'll see us get married also. Love you, mommy, daddy. Bye.